Hello everyone, this is Antanas from CF Moto Thunder Racing Team, and today we will compare two belts, used one and new one. So let's look. The first thing, this is the white thread line. On the new it is totally white, and on the used one it is almost black. For the second thing, you need to invert the belt and check it is have a cracks on the belt or no. This belt still in the good condition. If we compare new belt vs old one, we see that the used one belt, the side of the belt little bit worn. This G-Force Redline belt used, but still in the good condition, and you can make, I don't know, 2,000–3,000 kilometers more with this belt. Drive safe and fast and enjoy your ride.